welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be installing a wig from Beauty Forever Hair. The wig that I received is a 13x4, 24-inch, 180% density wig. The wig that I received is a bit smaller than average size. So as you guys can see on the side of the wig, instead of leaving hair to be cut off from around the ear tab, I just used the entire wig as the hairline. When you're placing the lace down into the glue, you want to make sure that you're placing each side down as close to your client's ears as possible. The lace that I cut off from around my client's ear doesn't have any hair on it, so the wig fit my client perfectly. But if your client was to have a longer hairline, you would just leave extra lace on to cover the cap and bring hair down from the side to cover the lace. Once you've cut off all the lace that needs to be cut, you're going to use the makeup closest to your client's skin complexion and place it on the lace to match her complexion. Once you've done that step, you're going to use your even spray it across the hairline of the wig and place an elastic band down. For this video, I didn't record the filming of the baby hairs because I wanted to focus more on the fitting of the wig, but now I'm just going to hot comb my client's hair. Decided to leave the baby hairs just as they are, so now I'm just using my tweezer and pulling out the little strands of hair that are out of place. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.